Good afternoon. Well, low pressure is still very much on our doorstep, and that means we've got some more significant rainfall to come, particularly in this thick cloud here stretched right the way back down through the Low Countries and into France. And it was France that certainly saw the wettest weather overnight last night. But around this area of low pressure, you can also see those tightly packed isobars. That is bringing gale force winds to areas of the United Kingdom as well. So in France, in La Rochelle, saw 31 millimetres in just 6 hours. But what about back home? Well, here we've seen far more substantial rainfall falling during 24 hours. In Southern Ireland, as much as 4 to 5 inches of rain has fallen, and even across southeast England, Northern Ireland, North Wales, certainly we're seeing a good couple of inches falling during the last 24 hours, and there's more to come. This is a persistent rain here across Northern England, Northern Ireland, North Wales and southeast Scotland, and that is set to stay in place for the rest of today. But down to the southeast, we've also got some hazardous weather here in the form of heavy showers, and some of those will turn out to be rather thundery as well. So for this afternoon then, the persistent rain is really across Northern Ireland, southeast Scotland, Northern England and North Wales. We could see a further 30 millimetres of rain, that's 1.5 inches falling. If you'd like more details about the flooding, or the floodline number there, 0845 988 1188. Now this area of low pressure and its weather front is going to stay around not just into Tuesday, but beyond that Wednesday and also Thursday, before finally pushing away towards the northeast. That means for the next couple of days we're going to be watching the weather very seriously indeed. Across northern and eastern Scotland, Northern England, Northern Ireland and southeast England, we could see a further 25 to 50 millimetres of rain falling during the next 3 days. That will of course lead to further disruption, particularly so across northeast England, eastern Scotland and the far southeast corner of the United Kingdom. So this afternoon, very little change in the weather then. That persistent rain continuing across these areas, heavy showers down to the south, the driest weather probably in the far north of Scotland, where we'll just see 1 or 2 showers. Now in the winds today, certainly feeling on the cold side with top temperatures around 8 to 11 degrees. Overnight tonight, very little change, that persistent rain once more across these northern areas, and still those heavy showers persisting in the southeast corner. So temperatures tonight not dropping much below 4 to 5 degrees. And then tomorrow, very little change, still that persistent rain.